Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create an AI agent with Claude in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Claude account using your username and password. On the left side of the screen, you will see options like New Chat, Search Chats, and Projects. Click Projects to begin. At the top right corner, click New Project. This is where you will start creating your AI agent. When prompted, enter what your project is about. For example, you can type images if you want the agent to help with image creation. Next, write a detailed description of what you want the AI agent to do. In this example, the goal is creating images for clients. After that, click Create Project. Once the project is created, you will be taken to the project page. Here, you can review the project name and start setting everything up. The most important part is the instructions section, so click the plus icon there. Now add detailed instructions for your AI agent. Include all the rules, conditions, and anything else you want the project to follow. When you are finished, click Save Instructions. After that, upload your reference files into the project. These can be images, PDFs, documents, or other text references. You can upload them from Google Drive or directly from your device using the plus button. Once your instructions and files are in place, your AI agent is ready to work. The next step is to test it and make sure it responds the way you want. If something is not working correctly, you can always edit the instructions or update the files to improve the results. That's it. You now know how to create an AI agent with Claude. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.